Life of a Filipina Assistant Nurse here in Japan. Hi, I'm Marian Ga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to share to you of how we celebrate the before and after New Year 2023. Lunchtime. This is my favorite soft cream choco fondue from Minstop. Go and get it. As a Filipina and working as an assistant nurse here in Japan, my life is so busy. We need to finish a lot of work before the year ends. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh, thank you. For the end of the year 2022, we need to finish our assignment about e-learning. Happy New Year! See you next year! Bye! Yurindo bookstore area here in Japan. Come on, let's buy our 2023 organizer. I am always excited to buy my organizer or planner before the end of the year. Yes, I got the perfect color and the perfect size. Okay, so I got my 2023 organizer or planner or little diary. Since 2023 is Viva Magenta color of the year, so I got red. Yeah, bright red actually. You can see I have from 2020 to 2022, but actually since 1918 I started to make my own address book and planner. December 29, we went to Atami for our part-time job. Doing part-time job, I'm with my son, Daphne. Ayan, magpapaint or magbabarnish ng mga hoods. We don't want to spend our new year here, so let's go and start! Dark already. Oh my God, kinabi na kami. Todo na to. My life in Japan. Alright guys, we're going back again to Atami. Maragnang Beauty Ninday. This is my life in Japan. Anyway, hard work today. Later, fun. We are going back to Atami. And we had our lunch food from McDonald's. Arigatou gozaimasu. I got it. Ginabi na kami. It's already past 7. At ganito siya kadilim. We went to hot spring bath to clean ourselves before we go home. And cup noodles for dinner. Then, December 31, we bought food for our Noche Vieja.
Ang hirap ng kanji ng crab, oh. Kay Gani. Lalakibong alimasan. He's introducing Kay Gani from Hokkaido. Oh man! Konnichiwa! Hi, Kani. Hi, crab. See you later. 188 grams. Naputol yung paa niya. Pag inalis mo yung paa, ang kilo niya is 577. Pag nilagay mo yung paa, 582.
Ay, naglilinis ita. Nag-wipe siya ng kaidan. Very good to him. Kiss kita. Yan ang present ko sa'yo. Yan, habang nakikinig siya ng Cinderella. Happy New Year, everyone! Let's eat! Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay. Itadakimasu! Wow! Itadakimasu! Woo! Countdown starts. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Welcome back! Happy New Year, everyone! Ito si Dam.
はい、お姉ちゃん、朝のレーナ様。
Meron siyang pouch. May pouch.
アルバイト代も入ってます。
Wow! Ina.
朝のタク様。
Ang bilis.
朝の匠様。
Wow!
23年お年玉。朝のマリアン様。
Yay! I have mine for the first time. Baka 1,000 na. Yay! May auto si Dama ako. Sana na maganda-ganda naman ang laman.
はい、見て。
あと5000円足りないの。
Gusingin lang yan?
15000円。
Wow!
はい、
Arigato! Thank you!
あれってな、大事だと。
危ない、グラス割ったら大変なことになる。グラス割ったら、あなたたちのどうしてもなくなるよ。
Skamata.
あなた。
Happy year 2023! Release all the negativity! Pasok positivity! Okay, about my gift, guys, are you ready?
I'm not ready.
Sunod na may pouch.
I'm not ready.
Because it's New Year, guys. Siyempre, naghanda tayo ng mga barya-barya. Only 500 yen. 500 yen is like 200 pesos in the Philippines per coin. O, nakikita nyo? 500 yen lahat yan. O, dyan, say siya katats kite. Dali, maglinis na muna. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! From the door. Let's do it again. Give me pa. Yeah, parang pareho lang ang sukat ah.
これは勝ったでしょ。
Okay, ready? Count! Oh, ewan kita na yun, minus. Ano na wala? Ano ko na to? Reyna Ikura.
15,500 円です。
わ嘘本当に
と、これで1万円、5,000円。
Tanganisan ko akin. Alip, kaswerte.
11,500円。11,500円。
Chimang Seng Go Haket. Honda niya! Bibigay sila sa akin ng tiging isang lapad at ilalagay namin sa kanilang bank. We always save. It's important to save. Okay? Kay malaki or maliit, kailangan may saving. 656. We have so many things to be grateful. Thank you, O Lord. Glory to God in the highest. A prosperous New Year to everyone. The first sunrise of the year 2023. So, nagawa natin ang paraan ng ating Japanese food, osechi ryori. Ayan, ito yung kakainin namin for 3 days dahil sarado ang mga supermarket dahil New Year's holiday. Itadakimasu! I'm just waiting for my kids to wake up. And we are going to eat. And by the way, it's the year of the rabbit. Pyong, pyong, pyong! It's a good chance to spend time with the family, to rest and relax to the max. Eating, sleeping, what a life! Ayan, we're going to Yamashita Koen. Andito na tayo, malapit na. And I'm going to meet my cousin from Bacani family. Ayan, excited ako makita siya ulit and with her family. Welcome to Yamashita Koen. Aching Reyna! Hello! I'm mag-bless. I'm not Lola, ha? Kiss lang. Hello. Bless, mag-bless. Kiss lang. Yay! Hello! Ay, pretty naman yan. Ah, grabe! Nagkita din kami!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Ang yaman-yaman ang pinsan. Welcome to Japan! Video pa na dito kami sa Yokohama, Tachiba natin. Ayan, nalutuin ang aming itlog. And let's go to Cup Noodles Museum.
Maraming salamat sa oras na.
Dapat niya. Let's try there. Look at the view. Ang ating mga tourists.
Please like and subscribe!
Yes!
Click the ring button.
Yes! Hi guys, today is the start of my work. Back to work again! Good luck to me, good luck to all of us. I also attended a Shinenkai or a Japanese New Year gathering with my coworkers.
She is Miss Ito-san, my trainer, my advisor, my friend here in this work. Cheers! Yay! Reshi, I'm so happy meeting her again. Sanen Buri! Yay! This is my life here in this hospital. Not just staff work, but we also have time to enjoy our life. Ay, nantiyo mo desu ka? Kurokirishima! Kampai! Another Shinenkai with my superiors. Shida-san, Miss Rolex. Kata-san, and the handsome guy. Yay!